They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Life should be great rather than long. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. We must stand on our own feet and fight as best as we can for our rights. So carry on your agitation and organize your forces. Power and prestige will come to you through struggle. The history of India is nothing but a history of a mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Men are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering, otherwise both will wither and die. Every man who repeats the dogma of Mill that one country is no fit to rule another country must admit that one class is not fit to rule another class. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Political tyranny is nothing compared to the social tyranny, and a reformer who defies society is a more courageous man than a politician who defies government. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered.